AS2 Ultra User Guide. Design Showcase. Button functions. Hold the power button to turn on and off. Press and hold plus or minusto, adjust the pressure. Press plus on minus simultaneously to switch the pressure unit. Maximum pressure, 120 psi. Double press power button to start. About valve. Dual valve support. Ensure the pin and sealing ring are oriented correctly during installation. Use with Schrader valves. Please note, for Schrader valves, it is recommended to use the air hose. When inflating without the hose, press the pump firmly against the valve to ensure a proper seal. Use with Presta valves. It is recommended to first screw the adapter onto the Presta valve before inflation. Inflation demonstration to 120 psi 700C 28 tire. Auto stop at target pressure. Fast inflation speed. What's in the box?